Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising...
The federal government is protecting that man. If not, with this weighty allegation, he should have been relieved of his job and then prosecuted in court. But they are not doing so.
Who exactly is the federal government protecting? Is it the...
Matawalle.
Then what do we have to say about the NSA? Because we learned that the people that were caught, though Kwara State government said they ran away, they absconded with the vehicle and even the AK-47, bought by with taxpayers' money by NSA or ONSA at this point. Who is protecting him?
Let's start from the beginning.
Right?
Let us start from Matawalle. Because when you take care of the pounds will take care of itself. It is when the probe is now widened, maybe in the course of all this, NSA will not come in. But my worry here is that nothing will come out of all these allegations. Because nothing has ever come out from any of their probe. Nothing. Seriously. From the one that Dangote is talking about somebody paying 5 billion naira, nothing will come out of it. If I know this government very well, they like protecting their own. Anybody in their good book, no matter what you have done, you will never go into the court.
All right, Barrister, from what you just said now, what is the implication of this protection, like you just alluded to?
It means that
on the international stage.
Good. It means that we are going to receive more odium, more insult, more embarrassment. It means that more state actors will join the fray to commit more mayhem because they are in the good book of government. It means that government itself is losing respect and credibility, even at home and abroad. That's what it means.
We're hoping that it wouldn't get to this level. Really, we're just hoping.
The law, it don't pass them. Say we do not get to. When US is now beaming their satellite, they know who is doing what.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.